Warning, the following video contains flashing images which may not be suitable for people with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi all, Striker from Blitz Airsoft team here, hope you're doing okay. And in this video you will see myself and the team playing at West Wiltshire Combat Games in Melksham for one of their Thursday evening games. The site is a great little CQB site with friendly staff and great players. It's definitely one to try out if you haven't been before. It was a really good evening with some fast-paced action and we really enjoyed it. The team consisted of just myself and Yoda. The game objective was pushback, meaning the defending team have to defend 4 different locations in order and only have 1 life per location, whereas the attacking team have unlimited lives. Once the attacking team have cleared the defending team out of an area and taken that location, they move on to the next one. There are 4 locations to clear or defend in the following order. We started in kitchen, then moved to kill house, then down the stairs into one of the downstairs rooms, and finally finished by the car.
Dad, they can come from the stairs behind, mind.
After losing kitchen, we moved in to defend the kill house. With the loss of kill house, we moved on to our 3rd location, which was just downstairs.
You're gonna get shot there, Dad. Yes!
After losing downstairs, we moved into our fourth and final location to defend the car.
Good kill!
With the loss of car, that ended the game. However, it wasn't quite over, because we then changed to the attacking side to see if we could do any better.
Cheers for giving the position away. We hit. Oh, they can't shoot you. They really can't shoot you. Good kill. Back in. You alright, Dad? Yeah. You back in? What's that?
It's broke.
Oh, the clip? Yeah. The clip's come out, that's all it is, isn't it?
No, the clip's broke, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Ow! Back in. Have we got any of them out?
I've got one. So I've got one. But I don't know if it's already out. We didn't have a camera.
Oh, right, okay. Are you hit? Yeah, no, I didn't want to shoot you if you're already hit.
No, it's alright.
Right, let's check kitchen. Oh, that's right. Clear. Clear. Clear.
With kitchen clear, we moved on to take kill house.
That was a hit on you, I saw it hit your arm. back in. Okay. Ready, go. Go. Back in, guys, just call it! Yeah, call it, I just took 3 of them out! Clear! I took 3 of them
With
out!
Fuel House now clear, we moved on to our third location, the downstairs.
Stand by.
You have to start in this room.
Yeah, Dad, you got... Hang on, we haven't started yet.
We just blew the whistle, we get to
I mean, this is just spawn, so they just shoot into the spawn now.
You just got to go for it. Get out.
Huh? What?
I got lost.
Oh, we cleared it, we're moving on to the next bit now.
I got lost. I don't know where they are.
You got started.
I don't know which one you got.
Right, so you know that room that we were defending on the bottom steps?
Yeah.
That's where they are.
Right. Right.
Oh, you're already, okay.
Yeah, they can be enough bit to the right.
Back in. Where's he to?
No, I got it.
Right, I'm moving down then. We've got 3 then, it's just 1 more remaining somewhere. Over there, I'm assuming. Clear!
With downstairs now secure, we moved on to our 4th and final objective, to take the car. And back in. I know where he is.
Right, there's one in that gap. Could you cover me while I get a grenade? No, I've got a grenade. Fuck's sake, really? Sorry, mate. Oh! Check the ring, check the ring, check the ring. Oh, good kill. Back in. Did you get in? Back in. Ready?
Stun grenade. Just take it forward from where you are. It didn't go off, mate.
Clear. Clear.
And with that whistle, that signified the end of the game. We had successfully cleared the 4 locations we had to take. Although we didn't do it as fast as the other team, we had an absolute blast doing it. If you're ever in the area, definitely check out West Wiltshire Combat Games. It's a brilliant little site. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. From myself and the team, we'll catch you in the next one.
Just